idea of tax-free income, and you know.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Knoxville Police Department for Holly Piper. Holly is a 16-year-old white female, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 124 pounds, with black hair and hazel eyes. Holly was last seen wearing a black sweatshirt and blue sweatpants. Holly is believed to be in the company of William Dillon Usry. William is an 18-year-old white male, 6 feet 2 inches tall, 175 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. Holly and William are believed to be traveling in a 1999 white Dodge Caravan with Tennessee tag BMM 5038. If you have seen Piper or William, please contact the Knoxville Police Department at 865-215-7165 or TBI at 1-800-TBI-FINOD.
So unleash the tonight.
Nice goddamn interference.